In this video, I will be your guide to lead you to one of our daily check-in locations to earn some copper coins, also known as win coins. Let's get started. You can locate where the check-in are active by tapping on the activity button here. The icon will resemble a horn. Looks like there is an active check-in at TANGDAO Lo. Let's head over there to do our daily check-in. Tap on the return button to close the activities pop-up. We can use the teleport feature to head to TANGDAO Lo quicker. Tap on the map on the top right corner. The full map will pop up. TANGDAO Lo will be located on the northwest direction of the map. Tap on the icon. Then tap on the icon below. You will appear at the entrance of TANGDAO Lo. Let's head inside. Tap on the door icon to go in. You will appear at level 1 of TANGDAO Lo. The check-in stand will be located on the right side of the wall. A gold icon will pop up when you are near the check-in stand. Tap on the gold icon. You have successfully claimed your copper coins for today. Tap on the confirm button below. You can check in for a total of 7 days to receive an additional 1,000 copper coins at the end of day 7. Be sure to claim your copper coins while the event period lasts. The event period timer is located here. I will now show you where to check your copper coins after claiming it. Tap on the return button to escape the check-in banner. Tap on the option button on the left side. Tap on the return button to leave. To return to our home page, tap on the top left corner button of the home page. Tap on my profile. You can check your copper coins balance here. Do visit our check-in event frequently and grab this chance to earn free copper coins in our TANGDAO Metaverse.